How many thousands of pictures do you have? Is you printing them all?
No. That's at least.
I would have to say 5,000. Right? 5,000.
5,000 pictures. Oh my gosh.
Should go back to
Sure.
yeah. So you don't always get a burp or. All right, buddy.
You can still find, like acres of properties are not bad, but the newer developments and stuff, yeah. And actually, people used to have homes for an acre and a half.
Put your tongue down.
I mean, you can still find, depends where you go. Because there was this one old farmhouse that really like a barn. It's right on the highway though. But I forget there was something like 40 acres and all kinds of shit house. And then there's like certain areas are really expensive. So Richie section and all that. Which is
You can kind of just hear the
Snotty nose?
yeah, or whatever, the milk or whatever's in his nose.
Yeah.
You okay?
I just don't want to irritate him and suck it out and then make him spit up more.
Yeah.
But before you came in, I suctioned him out really good.
Yeah.
That's what I've been doing. But he does sound like he has a little bit of snot in his nose.
You okay?
But I mean, that's expensive for back there. You're not just like,
Come on, Ethan.
right. It was
Right. That's what my in-laws
You're not even halfway, dude.
That's okay. We'll get him. Do it.